Good morning, class 1. Today we are going to start chapter 2. Okay, chapter 2 is uses of a computer. Okay, now in this chapter, beta, we will do uses of a computer. Okay, now see page number, this one, page number 12 in your book. Okay, now a computer makes much of our work easier. Computer always makes our work easier. Let us see how it helps us in different ways. Now we will see how computer helps us in different ways. Okay. Now number 1, it helps us to solve sums. Now computer helps us in adding, subtraction, multiplication, division, and it always gives the correct answer. So we get correct answer in computer and we can solve the sums, mathematics sums. Okay, now next one is it helps us to draw and color. Now computer helps us in drawing and coloring. We can do coloring and drawing in computer. Okay, if we want to draw anything, we can draw in computer and we can color. Okay, by using the different applications. Now next one is number 3. It helps to us to listen to music, watch movies and cartoons. We can listen to music in computer. If you want to listen any music, any song, we can listen to music, and we can watch movies and cartoons in computer. If you want to see movie, if you want to see cartoons and movies, you can see on the computer. Okay, next one is number 4. It helps us to play games. Now we can play many games in computer. Okay, now these are the uses of computer. Number 1, it helps us to solve sums, it helps us to draw and color, it helps us to listen to music, watch movies and cartoons, it helps us to play games. Now beta, see number 13, page number 13. See number 5, use of computer. It helps us to send and receive messages and email quickly around the world. Now beta, we can send and receive messages. Now in computer we can send and receive messages by emails. Okay, electronic mail. Emails means electronic mails around the world. We can send any place, at any place, emails. Okay, and we can receive emails at any other place. Okay, now next one is 6 is it helps us to get information. This information can be stored in the computer itself. Okay, now computer helps us to get information. If you want to get any information regarding anything, so these all are information we can store in computer. If we store information in the computer, so we can find out it anywhere whenever we want any information. Okay, so children, computer have made a lot of jobs easier and faster for man. So computers have made a lot of jobs easier, jobs they have made easier and faster for men. So these are faster than men. Okay, computers are faster. Now next one, children, as you know, computer is a wonderful machine. It can do a variety of jobs and helps us in our daily life. Now computer is a wonderful machine. Okay, it can do a variety of jobs and helps us in our daily life. Now computer helps in our daily life and it is a wonderful machine. It is used at many places. Now we use computer at many places. Now we will do about different places, how we use computer in different places. Now see number 1, at home. At home what we do, we can do our homework. If we want to do our homework, we can do in computer. Now next one is to listen to music and play games. If we want to listen to music and play games, we can do in computer. Now next one is for online shopping. If we want to purchase anything online, so we can do at home online shopping in computer. Okay, see next one beta, in schools. What we do in schools, to teach in the class. When we teach in the class, we use computers in schools. Okay, when your teachers teach you in smart board, these all are computers. Okay. Now next one is prepare results and make timetable. Okay, for making results and preparing result and making timetable, we use computers in schools. Now next one is in a library for keeping records of books. Now books for keeping records of books we use computer in school. Okay. Now these are the two places where we use computer, at home and in schools. At home we do our work, listen to music and online shopping. And in schools to teach in the class, prepare result and records of library. Okay. Now next one is beta page number 14. In offices, what we do on in offices to keep records and manage account. When we want to manage any account, or when we keep records in offices, for this we use computer. Next one is to write letters. In offices we use computers to write letters. Okay. Now next one is in hospitals. We use computers in hospitals to, okay, in offices we use to send emails also. Now next one is, okay, in offices we use in three ways. Number one, keep records and manage accounts, to write letters and send emails. Now next one is better next one place in hospitals. In hospital we get information about diseases and medicines. Now to get the information about diseases and medicine, we use computer in hospitals. Next one is for eye testing. For eye testing also we use computer in hospitals. Now next one is better to maintain the details of patients. If you want to maintain the details of patient, we use computer in hospitals. Okay. Next one is better in shops. What we do in shops we use computer to print bills, to keep records of daily sales, to keep the details of items. Now which item is sale, which item is purchased, this we keep record in shops. Okay. Daily sales and daily purchase, and whatever items are available in the shop, we use computers for that. Okay. Now these three places we have done in offices, in hospital and in shops. Now next one is beta in banks. What we do in banks, to store details of accounts of customers. Okay, in bank we all save our money, so we all open a bank account in bank. So keep details of accounts, we keep details of accounts of customer in bank. For this we use computer. Okay, next one is to withdraw money from ATM. Now we can withdraw money from ATM by using computer in banks. Next one is better to keep records of their employees. Now those who work there, these are employees, those are employees, and in banks we use computer to keep the records of employees. Now next one beta, see page number 15. Okay, page number 15. See that in defense, what we do in defense, that means when our soldiers went for any fight or any other defense. So in defense we use to find the exact location of the enemy. In defense we use computers to find the exact location of the enemy. Where our enemy is located, that computer shows that signal. Okay. Now next one is beta to keep a record of all the defense equipments. Okay. Now if you want to keep the records of whatever equipments we use in defense, like rifle, missiles, or any tank, whatever we use in defense, for all the records of these things we keep in computer. For that we use computer to keep the records of these. Now next one is better to communicate in different areas. Now when anyone go for the war, so they want to know, they want to communicate in the nearby places. So if the soldiers or anyone want to communicate with each other, so for that they use computers. Okay. Now next one is beta at railway stations and airports. Now at railway station and airport to book tickets. Okay, all of we know that when we go anywhere, we book ticket, and we book ticket online. Okay, online we can book ticket in computer. Now Computer also gives us information about the arrival and departure time of a aeroplane or train. Okay, when that computer when that aeroplane and train will go, and that when that the reaching time. Okay, coming and reaching time, departure and arrival time we get in computer when we book ticket. Now next one is better to make various travel arrangements. Now in computer we can see the various travel arrangement, what we need for that, and how much load we can take. Okay, what are the fare for reaching there. Okay, what are the fare charges and how much time this will take. So these all travel arrangements are available in computer at railway stations and airports. Okay. Now last one is in space research. Now if we want to search the information about space, for that we use computer. In computer we can find out the information about space. Now next one is to launch rockets into space. If we want to launch any rocket in the space, for that we use computer. Now next one is beta to communicate with the astronauts while they are in space. When any astronaut go to the space, for communicating with them we use computers. Okay, now these are the places where we use computers. These are at home, in schools, in offices, in hospitals, in shops, in banks, in defense, at railway stations and airports, in space research. Now these are the places where we use computer. Okay, now all of you read this chapter carefully. Thank you.